The common law lays out 4 different levels of intent. There's general intent, where what needs to be proven for a person to be convicted is simply that the defendant intended to commit the criminal act, the act that caused a harm that's prohibited by statute. That's general intent. Specific intent requires a specific mental determination proven by the state of the defendant to accomplish a specific result. And a good example of that is burglary. So if you look at the statute of most jurisdictions for burglary, you'll see that burglary consists of the entry of typically a dwelling or some type of building without consent, with intent to steal or commit a felony therein. So that means if someone breaks into your house, but they don't plan to steal, they're breaking in for some other reason. They're not going to steal and they're not going to commit a felony. That's not the person's intent. That's not a burglary under most statutes. It might be breaking and entering, it might be criminal damage to property, disorderly conduct, some other types of crimes, but it's typically not going to be a burglary because burglary is one of those crimes that requires a specific intent to accomplish a specific result. Specific intent. Okay? Constructive intent is for someone who commits reckless acts and something happens as a result that wasn't necessarily intended by the person, but was, well, it would be called recklessness under modern law. Remember, we're talking common law right now, okay? So that would be something like driving 90 miles an hour through a school zone where there are little kids running all over the place and running over a child, okay? And then finally, still staying with the common law for a moment, we have transferred intent. And so transferred intent is I am aiming at person A and I shoot and I miss, but I hit person B and kill person B. Am I guilty of murder? Yes, I am. Why? Transferred intent. All right? I didn't want to kill person B, but I did want to kill person A, and the law of transferred intent under the common law says that my intent follows my bullet, so I'm guilty of murder. A very interesting case, sounds like it came out of Grimm's fairy tales, is noted in your text, and that's one where a man gave a poisoned apple to his wife. He wanted to kill her with a poisoned apple, and she gave it to their child. She didn't know it was a poisoned apple. She just got the apple, gave it to the child ate it and died, or ate from it and died. And so, was he guilty? Yes, he was. Why? Transferred intent.